Poor baby.
You gonna play on the floor some more? You gonna show us how you can sit up like a big boy? Okay, here's your remote. There's your remote.
What you got, Noah? Edith, get your ball. Go get your ball. Get your ball. Get your ball. Edith, go get your ball. Hurry up. Go get it. Go find your ball.
Film him from the side, showing him how he can like fall back and catch himself. Pretty exciting to see the puppies though, huh?
Yeah, you're doing much better, Noah. Wow.
Whoop. No whoop-de-doo.
One more time.
Boom.